Coordinating inventory and fulfillment across multiple warehouses and 3PLs quickly becomes complicated. Today, I'm speaking with Anthony Herve, founder and managing director of b.solutions, about how their advanced Brightpearl 3PL integration helps businesses overcome this challenge. Anthony, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Charlotte.
To start with, can we talk about the challenges for retailers? What challenges do businesses usually face when they connect their 3PLs to Brightpearl?
So, Brightpearl offers a few standard 3PL connections out of the box, which can be fine for simple operations. But once you're managing multiple warehouses, selling across different channels and borders, working with marketplaces like Amazon or Zalando, or handling complex returns, limitations appear, manual workarounds creep in. Stock accuracy, typically declines. Delivery SLAs slip. And businesses risk, customer dissatisfaction, sometimes reputational harm, and even penalties, from large retailers.
So, how is this integration different?
So our solution is really built for, businesses managing complex high volume supply chains, often across multiple 3PLs and regions. It synchronizes everything, products, POs, sales order, goods in, shipments, transfers, returns, and real-time stock levels. What sets it apart is its ability to handle advanced workflows, like store replenishment, 3PL to 3PL transfers, reverse logistics, ASN EDI compliance, and even RFID based auditing. It also supports value added services by your 3PL, such as kitting, custom packaging, engraving, embroidery, or on-demand printing, by sending detailed fulfillment instructions from Brightpearl to your 3PL. Ultimately, we give retailers complete confidence that operations stay consistent and efficient even at scale.
What benefits does it bring to multi-warehouse control?
So it keeps all 3PL warehouses in real-time sync with Brightpearl, delivering complete stock visibility and accuracy. No manual workaround, no reconciliation hassles, and no overselling, which is key. And so that's ideal for cross-border multi-channel operations.
And how does it support market expansion?
So, fulfillment can be automatically distributed across regions, through Brightpearl. For example, you might have 4 3PLs covering North America, the UK, Europe, and Asia, or even specialized by channel or product type.
Mhm.
So this, setup helps businesses enter new markets quickly, but without sacrificing accuracy, visibility, and operational control.
And how does this solution enhance returns management?
So, returns are processed seamlessly, whether it's a blind returns or RMA type returns, improving obviously customer experience, but also operations. Um, Our integration supports, advanced reverse logistics workflows with tools like Loop, Swap, After Ship, Return Go, as examples. And but ensuring refunds are issued only after the goods are inspected and preventing unnecessary payouts to customers.
What makes ASN EDI compliance so important?
So, most big box retailers rely on advanced shipping notices, to meet strict supply chain standards. So by exchanging precise order and ASN data across Brightpearl, your 3PL, and your EDI platform, our integration ensures full compliance, preventing obviously delays and financial penalties.
And does it support RFID enabled 3PL workflows?
Yeah, we can support RFID scanning at both the 3PL warehouses, but also retail locations, fully integrated with Brightpearl. RFID automates inventory counts, but it also enables outbound shipment auditing, verifying the shipment content at the dispatch point, from the DC, but also, on-store receipt. Obviously, removing manual counts and delivering major efficiency gains.
And what about compliance with marketplace and wholesale rules?
So the integration applies custom fulfillment logic automatically, whether it's carton size standards or marketplace specific rules for platforms like Amazon or Zalando. And really, this guarantees your 3PL executes orders accurately every time.
What happens if I'm a retailer with advanced stock sync requirements?
So we can support complex stock sync logic. We handle virtual inventory pools, logical reservations, and quarantined item tracking. So businesses always have a true real-time picture of available inventory in Brightpearl.
Can you share a scenario where this integration truly adds value?
I guess let's take a fast-growing retailer. You're using two 3PLs, one for D2C and one for wholesale EDI orders. They sell internationally, fulfill Amazon and Zalando orders. They need to manage kits, bundles, and RMA returns. A standard Brightpearl 3PL integration cannot handle that complexity. And our integration unifies it all. Got a single source of truth for stock, automated routing rules, ASN and marketplace compliance, plus support for value-add services. And this allows the retailer to scale efficiently, without running into operational roadblocks.
Why should a business choose b.solutions for their Brightpearl 3PL integration instead of using standard or native connectors?
So yeah, as I mentioned, our integration is really designed for retailers whose needs go beyond basic native connectors. We invest time in understanding each client's workflows and customizing integration accordingly. Beyond setup, we provide thorough testing, training, and long-term support. With nearly 400 e-commerce merchants and more than 200 3PL and WMS integrations already delivered worldwide, chances are we've encountered and solved, the very challenges new client face.
If a retailer hears this and thinks that this is exactly what they need, what should they do next?
The best next step is to book a consultation, with our team. We'll review your workflows. We'll show you how the integration operates in practice and demonstrate how we can automate your processes from end to end.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for walking us through this today, Anthony.
Thank you, Charlotte.